Trend Technologies were established in 1981. We've got about 180 employees working there. Our business primarily is injection moulding of components and sub-assemblies. I got involved with the first polymer Skillnet back in 1999. When we first joined, there was a clear skills gap.
The overall mission of First Polymer Training Skillnet would be to be a model of training excellence for the sector and really to sustain and enhance the existing skills that are out there. We also provide customised on-site training for companies, and the companies find that really, really beneficial.
They provide a whole range of courses, and they're very flexible, and we're involved in developing some of those courses ourselves so we can help to make sure that they do meet our needs.
Back in 2009, we developed and initiate a Level 7 Bachelor of Engineering in Polymer Processing. And for the very first time, it meant that an employee in industry could actually continue to work full-time and get a Polymer third level qualification. And we also developed a Level 6 Certificate in Polymer Technology for the technician level programs as well. So it's a great opportunity for people working in industry to upscale and get those qualifications while still working full-time.
One of the key flexibilities about working with the network relates to the third level opportunities. So the Level 6 and Level 7 are primarily delivered online, and that offers an opportunity to employees to work within their own time frame. The network runs seminars, and we've had people involved in those, and it gives us a chance to showcase our capability, not just to other companies in the business, but to potential customers.
First Polymer Training Skillnet is really critical, I think, to the overall development of the sector and the region too. Since we were initiated back in 1999, we developed over 20 accredited programs for those working in industry, so in further education where none previously existed. And we also provide subsidised training to members all of the time. It means they don't have to send their employees to the UK or further afield for some of these very specific niche programmes, because in many cases we're the only provider of those programmes in Ireland. Any business should really consider getting involved with the Skillnet network in their sector or region for a variety of reasons. You get the benefits of subsidised training that can be customised and tailored to your own specific needs. You'll get the benefits of networking with other companies in your sector or region, and you can see what best practices out there. They also drive new programs and help you look at future skills and how you'll future-proof your organisation.
I think the key thing that the Skillnet adds is trained, competent people to do the job that they're employed to do. And that's what the Skillnet gives us.